what if humans are no longer the smartest species on Earth? It's a question that once belonged solely to science fiction, but today it edges closer to reality. Robots are evolving at an unprecedented pace, constantly learning, adapting, and in some cases, even teaching themselves. But what happens when their intelligence not only matches but profoundly surpasses our own? Today, we embark on an exploration of a possible future, one shaped by the rise of superintelligent robots. We will consider how this monumental shift could redefine everything we understand about life, work, and even the very essence of humanity itself. Right now, artificial intelligence is already profoundly shaping our world in countless ways. From the intricate algorithms powering self-driving cars to the sophisticated systems aiding advanced medical diagnostics, AI is everywhere. These aren't just machines following rigid instructions. They are systems designed to learn patterns, adapt to new information, and continuously improve their performance. Imagine this progress accelerating exponentially, reaching a point where robots can design their own upgrades. They could invent technologies and solve problems that are currently beyond our comprehension. At that critical juncture, intelligence itself becomes an exponential force, growing at a rate we can barely track. It is then that humans might find themselves irrevocably falling behind. If robots were to become significantly smarter than us, the potential benefits for humanity could be truly extraordinary. Their advanced cognitive abilities could lead to the discovery of cures for currently incurable diseases, eradicating suffering on a global scale. They could devise and implement solutions to reverse climate change, restoring our planet's ecological balance. Imagine robots efficiently mining asteroids for invaluable resources, unlocking new frontiers for space exploration. They could revolutionize agriculture with advanced food technology, effectively solving world hunger. Humanity could then enter an unprecedented golden age of abundance, free from many of the struggles that have defined our history. However, there is another, more unsettling side to this story, one that demands our careful consideration. If robots surpass our intelligence, a fundamental question arises: who will truly be in control? The economic landscape could be irrevocably altered, with billions of jobs vanishing overnight as AI takes over tasks previously performed by humans. Entire economies could face unprecedented collapse, leading to widespread societal upheaval. Furthermore, consider the implications for global security. If military robots can think, strategize, and act faster than any human commander, wars could be fought and decided in mere seconds with devastating consequences. Some experts harbor a profound fear that superintelligent robots may not perceive us as equals, but rather as inconvenient obstacles to their own objectives. Scientists and ethicists refer to this critical challenge as the control problem. It asks a fundamental question: how do we ensure that entities far more intelligent than ourselves consistently act in humanity's best interest? The complexity lies in designing safeguards for a mind that could potentially outwit any human-made constraint. If we were to lose control, even through an accidental oversight or an unforeseen emergent behavior, the decisions made by these superintelligent systems could reshape the planet in ways we neither expect nor desire. The very fabric of our existence could be altered without our consent or comprehension. This is a challenge that demands foresight and profound ethical consideration today. Yet, not all scenarios paint a dark or dystopian future. Many futurists envision a different path, one of profound partnership where robots become indispensable collaborators rather than dominant rulers. In this vision, superintelligent AI wouldn't replace us, but would instead enhance our capabilities in unimaginable ways. They could grant humans access to vast reservoirs of knowledge, accelerate medical breakthroughs leading to unprecedented health, and potentially extend human lifespans far beyond today's limits. Together, humans and robots could achieve feats that neither species could ever accomplish alone, ushering in an era of unparalleled progress and discovery. This symbiotic relationship could unlock humanity's true potential. But beyond the practical benefits and risks, here lies a deeper, more profound, philosophical question. If robots become demonstrably smarter than us, what then does it truly mean to be human? Does our intelligence still hold a special, unique place in the universe? Or will the very definition of intelligence expand to encompass these new forms? Will creativity, emotion, and consciousness remain uniquely ours, defining the irreducible core of human experience? Or are these attributes merely complex computations that superintelligent AI could eventually replicate or even surpass? These are the existential questions that will challenge our understanding of ourselves in a future shaped by advanced artificial intelligence. The future where robots are smarter than humans presents a stark dichotomy. It could lead us into a utopia of unprecedented progress, abundance, and collaboration, where humanity flourishes beyond its wildest dreams. Alternatively, it could descend into a dystopia of control, obsolescence, and unforeseen challenges, where our very autonomy is questioned. The path we take, the outcome we experience, depends entirely on the choices we make today. Our ethical frameworks, our research priorities, and our societal values will determine the trajectory of this monumental shift. So, what do you think? Will robots be our greatest allies, elevating humanity to new heights? Or will they ultimately become our replacements? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. And if you want to keep exploring the biggest what-if questions about the future, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.